Dear friends, welcome to Infos. Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about opportunities. We have already completed two videos from opportunities about basic hydrocarbon industry details and about Saudi Arabia and the biggest Middle East oil and gas production country, Saudi Arabia, and one of the biggest company in the world, Saudi Aramco. Today, we are discussing about one of the other Middle East company, where is world largest gas reserves and operating country, Qatar. Welcome to this video. So, Qatar Energy is the one of the biggest company in the world, which is operating in the oil and gas hydrocarbon sector, producing natural gas, crude oil, natural gas, condensate, and processing into various value-added products. And moreover, Qatar is operating liquefied natural gas. It is world biggest liquefied natural gas company. Qatargas is also operating in Qatar. Let us see what Qatar is doing and some basic information on Qatar Energy and Qatar in general. Qatar Energy, formerly known as Qatar Petroleum, is a state-owned petroleum company of Qatar. Is an integrated national oil company responsible for the sustainable development of oil and gas industry in the state of Qatar and beyond. Qatar Energy's activities encompass the entire spectrum of the oil and gas value chain locally, regionally and internationally, and include the exploration, production, processing, marketing and sales of oil and gas, liquefied natural gas liquid NGL and gas to liquid GTL products, refined products, petrochemical, fertilizers, steel and aluminium. So these are the core area of operation. Other than Aramco in Saudi Arabia in previous this one, Qatar have huge gas reservoir. We can say one of the biggest one in the world. That's why Qatar is more concentrating on gas based hydrocarbon industry. So in that one, LNG, one of the world largest LNG plant is in Qatar. So plus they have GTL technologies there. That is a Middle East or maybe world or second or third in the world. And Middle East, the first one, GTL technology, gas to liquid. We will see that one. What is that one? That technology is using in Qatar to convert hydrocarbon, natural gas and condensate into value added and low emission environment quality fuels. So, Qatar hydrocarbon reserves as of the December 31, 2009, the available data on 2019 may be slightly differ. Qatar's confirmed hydrocarbon reserve amounted to approximately 388 billion barrels of oil equivalent. This reserve consists of approximately 1763 trillion standard cubic feet of natural gas. That is their important and huge asset in Qatar, and 2.23 billion barrels of crude oil and 71.93 billion barrels of condensate. So Qatar is a gas rich country. So they are operating in offshore and onshore. If you can look at this one, in this is Qatar overview of their operating this one. They have onshore. They have Dukan, one of the biggest oil field in the Middle East in the Dukan area. That is also there. And in offshore they have many platforms and production facilities are there. And other than this one, North Field is a big, huge gas reserves. So these are reservoirs are there. So in that one, various other, they are the onshore, they have various operating facilities are there. Let us see one by one how to operating and understanding each of them. In upstream operation, Qatar is producing hydrocarbon, that is crude oil, natural gas and condensate from both offshore and onshore facility. So, Qatar Energy operating onshore and offshore facilities and producing crude oil, natural gas and NGL. From this figure, it is clear that one they have onshore facility mainly in Dukan area, plus offshore facility in two location, various location in the offshore, it is including North Field. So, 2, 4, around 5, 6 offshore locations are there producing this hydrocarbon and natural gas, crude oil and condensate. They are producing from both offshore and onshore. These are the simple pictures of available in the website and Google. This is one of the offshore picture and offshore production platform, or we can call it a production facility, and this is one offshore pipeline system and in the production area. North Field, this is one of the important major offshore field. We have to mention that one. Discovered in 1971, the North Field is the world's largest single non-associated gas field with confirmed gas reserves exceed around 1760 trillion cubic feet. So approximately this is the data available in the website. So it is largest, one of the largest single non-associated gas field. So that is in Qatar, North Field. Qatar Energy producing natural gas and condensate from North Field and processing in following facilities. So they are producing this facility. They are utilizing, improving their hydrocarbon business, hydrocarbon processing, and various way they are doing that. One number is natural gas processing to produce LNG, that is liquefied natural gas. LNG means simply it is a liquid form of methane, the first hydrocarbon component. So liquefied natural gas operating by a very big company which is called Qatargas, and natural gas and condensate processing at NGL, that is a condensate C2, C3, C4, C5. We already studied in our previous slides that one. So you have to refer that one, the basic hydrocarbon, how the carbon chain is working and various product derived from that one. You just to review it that. So natural gas and condensate processing at NGL. NGL means natural gas liquid plant. They have that one mainly processing on ethane, butane, propane, plus some condensate, pentane, C5 plus. And they have refineries also there to produce value added product using power plant and petrochemical industry. So this North Field condensate, natural gas producing, by the time condensate also producing, that is also they are separating and producing various value added product in their Qatar Energy's facilities, refinery and NGL plant. Then other one is a condensate is processing in condensate refinery, particularly dedicated for condensate refinery called Laffan Refinery in Ras Laffan, producing naphtha, jet fuel, gas oil and LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas, some specialized product and high quality product and specialized application are there for their manufacturing that also. Then the fourth one is a North Field produced gas and condensate processing to convert GTL, gas to liquid products, including GTL diesel and GTL naphtha and other GTL product operating by Oryx GTL and Pearl GTL. So two GTL companies are there in Qatar, and they are converting North Field gas and condensate into various gas to liquid product. That is nearly a new technology using, a modern technology using to convert hydrocarbon to value added product through gas to liquid technology. So two companies these are the core four operating area where Qatar Energy is operating, and that is in the production and other operation from North Field. And downstream operation mainly refinery and other NGL plant and other petrochemical plants are there. Refinery operation one is Qatar Energy Refinery operates to produce a wide range of product including gasoline, diesel, our traditional refinery operation, LPG, petrochemical naphtha, that is PCN, light oil, light gas oil and jet oil, etc. to meet local and world market demand. So they have one of the big refinery, crude oil refinery is there, and condensate refinery as well. So they are operating their value added product for the local demand and international demand. And they have two dedicated industrial cities are there. One of the main industrial production and industrial support to the country and world market demand, to meet the world market demand, they are nearby industries are arranging in industrial cities. One of the industrial cities is Mesaieed industrial city, MIC, which is simply calling, and total year of establishment is very early, around 1950, and 10 major companies are operating there. So it is all hydrocarbon related plus steel and aluminium, fertilizer also. So major companies are related and using interconnected the various raw material availability. Like that one, it is well planned, well organized industrial city. MIC serves as the industrial hub for producing petrochemicals, chemicals, steel, aluminium, fertilizers, NGL, natural gas liquid, refined petroleum product and many other products. Major companies are operating in MIC area are Qatar Energy Refinery, Qatar Energy NGL plant, Qatar Fertilizer Company QAFCO, Qatar Chemical Company QCOM, Qatar Petrochemical Company QAPCO, Qatar Vinyl Company QVC, Qatar Fuel Additives Company COFAC, and Qatar Aluminium Katalam. Then Qatar Steel and Power Company M Power, plus various small companies operating there. So one of the big industrial city there. This industrial city industries produce a wide range of product including urea, ammonia, high density and medium density polyethylene, HDP and MDP, gasoline, LDP, low density polyethylene, methanol, MTBE, that is one chemicals, linear alkyl benzene, lab, and aluminium, steel and many other petrochemical products. So they are manufacturing from the raw material using this hydrocarbon, natural gas and condensate, crude oil, natural gas and condensate. Another one of the big industrial cities, Laffan industrial city, and it is established in 1996, and around 14 major companies are working there, plus some other nominal supporting utility services are there. So let us see how Laffan industrial city is working. Laffan industrial city serves as the hub for major industries processing natural gas from the north field, mainly from north field, into high value products such as LNG, GTL products, that is gas to liquid product, lean natural gas, mainly methane, and LNG is a liquefied methane and natural gas is a methane, so in gas form, refined petroleum products and other derivatives including helium and sulfur. So many products are there producing from through various companies. Among the major companies are operating in the city are Qatargas, Oryx GTL, Qatar Shell GTL, Dolphin Energy, Laffan Olefin Company, Ghazal, Laffan Power Company, and Laffan Refinery, etc. So many companies, major 14 companies are working there. Definitely some other small companies are also be there. So we have to mention about the world premier LNG company, which is operating in Qatar. Name is Qatargas under Qatar Energy. So that we have to mention and understand their operating and their portfolio, how they are operating. So Qatargas is a unique global energy operator in terms of size, service and reliability. The company operates 14 liquefied natural gas LNG train, 14. So with a total annual production capacity of 77 million ton of LNG. LNG is, remember, liquid form of C1, methane. This makes Qatargas the largest LNG producer in the world. Established in 1984, Qatargas develops, produces and market hydrocarbon from the world's largest non-associated natural gas field, North Field. So it is the natural gas is producing from the North Field, bringing to Qatargas onshore facility. Offshore facility also part of Qatargas. Then onshore facility located in Ras Laffan in various levels, and they are removing gas processing, removal of contaminants and other things. Then they are converting or processing into natural gas to, they are separating and making C1, and it is converting into LNG, liquefied natural gas. It is a liquid form of C1. So they are the one of the world premier LNG company. In addition, producing LNG, Qatargas also a leading exporter of natural gas itself in gas form, helium, condensate and associated product. So these are also they are producing and marketing worldwide. Today, Qatargas continues to set the benchmark in the LNG industry as it safely and reliably supplies energy to customers all over the world. So this is the Qatargas portfolio. So you can see that one, this area is North Field production area, and in this area, left area is LNG trains. Around 14 trains are there, started from 1984, and they are increased 1, 2, 3, 4 like that one. And all these are earlier operating by Ras Laffan liquefaction company, and later they have merged together to become the world largest LNG company. So Qatargas was operating 7 trains, and Rasgas, that is Ras Laffan liquefaction company, was also operating 7. Then both merged together to become 14 LNG trains. So 14 small, bigger companies working in one umbrella, Qatargas, and making around 77 million ton of LNG, and all over the world largest LNG producing company. So plus Qatargas operating 2 refineries that we will discuss in our coming slide, Laffan Refinery 1 and Laffan Refinery 2, that I will discuss that one. Then they have helium production, helium and sulfur production is there, and they are operating definitely LNG ships also, and the LNG berth is their common facility where exporting the LNG, sulfur also, and also terminal operations are there, like port and other facilities are there. So huge facility in Ras Laffan industrial city where Qatargas is operating. Another one is a new technology using in hydrocarbon industry, GTL, gas to liquid. One of the companies, QP Sasol joint venture. Sasol is a South African company. Oryx GTL Limited. This is the beautiful pictures from that Oryx GTL plant in Qatar, located in Ras Laffan. And Oryx GTL is a synthetic fuel plant based in Ras Laffan industrial city, owned by Qatar Petroleum and Sasol. It uses gas to liquid technology for converting natural gas into liquid petroleum products. See, it used to liquid technology for converting natural gas or condensate into liquid petroleum product. GTL technology producing better environmental quality diesel, which create less pollution, low sulfur, high cetane number and low aromatics. So environmentally better value added hydrocarbon product which using in engines and other things, providing a better efficiency in automobiles. So that type of value added fuels they are manufacturing in GTL technology. So this is one of the one. Recently, it's a new technology. GTL naphtha also, diesel also plus GTL naphtha suitable as a quality feedstock for ethylene production and the polymer production. So Pearl GTL, the Pearl GTL also another GTL plant. The Pearl GTL is a gas to liquid plant based in Ras Laffan, Qatar. It converts natural gas into liquid petroleum product. It is the largest GTL plant in world with the collaboration of Shell technology and Shell oil company, the one of the biggest oil company in the world. Developed in partnership with the Qatar Petroleum and Shell, Pearl gas to liquid is the world's largest GTL plant and one of the world's largest, most complex and challenging energy project ever commissioned. GTL products represent a pioneering innovation to increase the supply of high demanded liquid hydrocarbon. Pearl GTL products are virtually sulfur free and have practically no contaminants such as heavy metal or aromatics. Their paraffinic chemical nature ensures that they are highly biodegradable and almost odorless. When GTL gas oil is used in an automotive applications such as buses, it can help improve local air quality such as soot or emission standard. It can improve emission standard when compared to use of conventional diesel fuel. So GTL products are much better environment quality than the earlier traditional diesel and gas oil and naphtha or other products. So 2 GTL plant is operating in Qatar. Then another one is a Laffan Refinery. Recently started refinery is this one. Laffan Refinery which started production 2009, process condensate and associated product to natural gas production receiving from Qatargas, that is refined into a number of high quality products including naphtha, kerojet, a jet fuel, gas oil and LPG. So that is Laffan Refinery 1, and Laffan Refinery 2 started commercial production 2016 recently, produces low sulfur Euro V specification product such as naphtha, kerojet, A1 and ultra low sulfur diesel, propane and butane for local and international market. So this is mainly calling, we have two type of refineries are there. One is crude oil refinery, producing some main products are LPG and gas oil like petrol and other products, furnace oil and lubricants and other thing. For condensate refinery is in some other operations, means concept is also slightly different, operating mainly condensate, then producing low sulfur products or naphtha, mainly low sulfur diesel and butane and propane, etc. These are the main products. So some difference is there in both refinery. Then another company is Dolphin Energy. It is using, working on the different concept. Then we will see that one. What is this? Dolphin Energy producing natural gas from North Field, same this large giant North Field gas field, and processing to remove condensate and other higher hydrocarbon in their Ras Laffan facility. So they are bringing North Field producing gas to Ras Laffan, that is in Qatar, and they are compressing and separating condensate and other heavier hydrocarbons like butane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane, all other moisture or contaminants and other H2S and CO2, like all gas processing and removal of higher hydrocarbons. Then they are exporting this natural gas to UAE and Oman, a neighboring country, through subsea pipelines. Compressed natural gas, they are compressing and using a subsea pipeline, they are exporting to other countries to meet Middle East gas requirement, fuel requirement. So this is the symbol map for this one. This is the North Field area. They are producing natural gas from here, natural gas and condensate, and it is bringing to Laffan industrial city, the part of Qatar, and there is they have gas processing and the export facilities are there. From there they are bringing to first it is reaching to UAE near Abu Dhabi, Tawila, a place location that is a shortest distance maybe. So it is reaching Tawila. From there and they are further maybe removing some minor treatments like removal of moisture, water content or something, or increasing the pressure, etc. They are distributing this gas, entire gas, to meet their demand in entire UAE itself. Jebel Ali is one of the biggest industrial city. So they are removing that and they are giving to Abu Dhabi area plus Fujairah. So entire UAE also, plus they have a transport facility to Oman to meet Oman requirement. Oman is another country in the Middle East. So this is a new concept which is started around I think 2007 or something, Dolphin Energy. So it is this part of Qatar Energy and Qatar Hydrocarbon development and business. So they have offshore platform, offshore production facility in North Field in Qatar. This is offshore production facility. Gas processing and gas export facility in Ras Laffan, that is here. Gas receiving facility in Tawila, UAE, that is here. And the gas distribution pipeline network through entire UAE and transport to Oman, that is this area, Oman and UAE. So this is Dolphin Energy. Other major industries are not going in detail. Qcom, one of the major chemical company producing polyethylenes, low density, high density polyethylene. QVC is a chemical company manufacturing various chemical using the feedstock from Qatar Energy, hydrocarbon feedstock. Qatar Steel also using manufacturing steel using the feedstock from hydrocarbon industry plus metallic industry, metal this one, and Qatar Aluminium also another major industry. Then QAFCO, that's Qatar Fertilizer, urea and ammonia they are producing, and where the other chemicals also, fertilizer and chemical. These are some of the major company only I have mentioning here, not all. So many other companies are there, like jet fuel manufacturing companies are there, jet fuel producing companies are there. So new technologies are also coming, new petrochemical plants are coming in Qatar, petrochemical industrial cities are coming and expanding. More and more North Field expansion and LNG capacity, production capacity, they are increasing. So recent years they are developing in or investing in hydrocarbon industry, exploring more and more possibilities in hydrocarbon industry. So thanks for watching this video. Definitely we will come with opportunities part 4 with another country. Like in the Middle East, how they are operating their principle and other thing. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.